Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th Maths, exercise 4.7. So students, in exercise 4.7, some word problems are there, some story sums are there which we have to solve. So see students, a store had 2 by 3 dozen eggs, 1 by 6 dozen eggs were used to bake a cake. So 2 by 3 dozen egg were there, and now what is given that 1 by 6 were out of that, means out of 2 by 3 was used to bake a cake. So what fraction of the eggs was left? So simply students, in simple numbers, if we are saying that for example 5 eggs are there in total, and for example 3 eggs were used to bake a cake, then how much is left? How much eggs are left? So students, simply 5 is total minus 3, so answer will be 2. So in the same way, but here the fractional numbers are given, so in this way we have to solve. So means we have to subtract here. So see students, first we have to write what is given in the question. So 2 by 3 dozen egg was there. So total eggs in a store. The total eggs in a store was 2 by 3. Now 1 by 6 eggs were used to bake. So eggs used to bake a cake. So egg used to bake is what is given? Bake a cake also you can write. It is given 1 by 6. Now what fraction of dozen eggs was left? So simply it is 2 by 3 dozen, and this is also 1 by 6 dozen. Okay. So now we will write therefore fraction of eggs left. So what is the fraction of eggs left? We will write it is 2 by 3 is the total minus 1 by 6 which is used. So now students, for subtraction, how to subtract? I told you in previous video. First we have to see whether it is like fraction or unlike fraction. As the denominators are different, this is unlike fraction. So first we have to convert it into like fraction by finding the LCM of the denominators. So 3 and 6 are the denominators. So 3 and 6. So find the LCM first. So see, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Now 2 is there, 1 will be as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So students, 3 2s are 6 is there, then 6 is the LCM. So here we can write the LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to 6. 6 is the LCM. Now we have to convert it into like fraction by multiplying the numbers. So see students, now as 2 by 3 is there, so what we will do? 2 by 3 having the denominator what? 3, and here 1 by 6 having the denominator 6. So 6 is the LCM, so 6 must be in the denominator. So convert 2 by 3 first. So now 3 2s are 6. Why we are multiplying with 2? Because we want denominator 6. So when we will multiply 3 with 2, we will get the denominator 6. So now same will be multiplied here, 2 2s are 4. And here see 1 by 6 is there. So of course 1 by 6 if we are multiplying with 1, then we are getting 1 1s are 1 and 6 1s are 6. So here see students, 6 is the denominator in both. Means the fractions are what? 2 by 3 is 4 by 6 and 1 by 6 will be as it is, 1 by 6. Now students see, 6 and 6 is there, just you can write down the common 6 LCM and 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is how much students? You can solve this one in rough. 4 minus 1 is 3, of course, 3 by 6. But students, 3 by 6 can be converted into lower terms. How? Because it can be divided by a common number. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So students, see here 4 minus 1 is 3 by 6. So 1 by 2 will be the final fraction which was left. Means 1 by 2 dozen eggs were left. So you can write here dozen because units are given here in dozen. So students, in this way you can solve question number 1. Moving to question number 3. Okay, so a carton contains 21 by 2 kg of bread. What was the total amount of bread? It was, means how much bread was there? 21 by 2, 20 and half also you can read, 20 and half kg of bread. What was the weight of bread? 20 and half kg. 1 by 4 kg of bread was left. Means what is given? Total mass of bread. How much was total bread? It was 21 by 2. And if 1 by 4 kg of bread was left, bread left, simply bread left is equal to 1 by 4. Now it is given how much bread was sold. Total was this much and this much was left in that carton. So simply first we have to convert this fractions. These are the mixed fractions. So we have to convert it into improper fractions. As 4 is here, 2 is here, it will be improper fraction. So 22 are 40, 40 plus 1, 41 by 2. And here students, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. And denominator will be 4. Denominator is 2 here, so 2, 22s are 40 plus 1, 41. Denominator 2. Then 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. 17 by 4 because denominator is 4. And this is whole number, this is fraction. So now question is asked, so we will write the last statement, how much bread was sold. So mass of bread sold. But students, one more thing, as all things are given in kg, unit is given kg, so you can write here kg. Okay, so now how much bread was sold? So simply we will subtract because total is that much and this much is left. So students, now subtract 41 by 2 minus 17 by 4. So simply students, both are having the different denominators. So simply we will find the LCM first. So LCM, the LCM of 2 and 4 is equal to how much? Of course students, 2 and 4. So simply find out 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 means 4 is the LCM here. So 4 we will write. Now 4 is the LCM means we want in denominator 4 in both. So simply in rough you can solve what? 14 by 2 you have to convert the denominator into what? 4. So in rough I am solving 14 multiplied by which number and 2 multiplied by which number to get denominator 4. So simply 2 2s are 4 and 14 2 only we will do, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 82 by 4 is there. What is there? 82 by 4. So we can write here students 82 by 4 minus. It is 17 by 4. 4 is the denominator, same denominator. So we will write as it is 17 by 4. Now students see carefully. Of course this will be 4, common 4. Now 82 minus 17. 82 minus 17. So students you can solve in rough. 82 minus 17 I am solving here. So that you can see 82 minus 17. So 8 will become what? 7. This will become 12. So 3, 4, 5. This will be 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. This will be 65. So what is the answer here? 65 by what? 65 by 4. But students, 65 by 4 is still incomplete. So we will convert it into mixed fraction. How to convert? I had told you. Once again I am telling. Okay. So see here 65 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4. 2 is left. Now 5 will be carried down. So 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 7 we will not take because 7 will be more than 25. So 4 6 are 24. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now as I had told you, in a clockwise you have to see. So 16 first. Quotient will be the whole number. Remainder will be the numerator and divisor will be the denominator, like this clockwise. Means which fraction we are getting? 16 1 by 4. So remember 16 1 by 4. So now write here 16 1 by 4. Now once again we can check whether it is correct or not. 16 4s are 64 plus 1 65 and denominator is 4. Yes, our answer is correct. Now as the question is given in mixed fraction, so remember students, if it is given in mixed fraction, you can convert it into mixed fraction. Even this answer is also correct. So both the answers are right. So students, according to this video, 4.7 can be solved by you, I think. So please solve it and go through all the questions. Thank you for watching.